Here's one of those paper bags that's got a string tie at the top, the packing. So to open it without any scissors or tools, I'm just going to untie a little part of this until this opens up. That's the wrong way. Actually, so this is a short end. Here is compared to the other end, where there's a rather long tail. So I'm starting at the short end. That is probably worth noting. Sometimes this does not work, and you do have to resort to a razor blade or something, or a pair of scissors. I mean, a lot of people just in there with a packing knife, but let's say you didn't have a packing knife, for instance, you was in a situation, and what I've done is just pull the two halves together, and it's just come apart like that. Now I've got two pieces of string, two nice long pieces of string, and the bag's open.